Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I am going to give you some basics knowledge of interface of Houdini. So here we have three elements. The one is viewport, the one is parameter window, and the one is network view. So if you have to add anything, you have to add in network view, and the settings will be shown in parameter window. Like I am going to add light here too. So press tab, then right light. Now click here. As you can see, it's have added here. Now you can transform the values here in like every 3D program, and also pressing enter. If you press enter in viewport, you can relocate the object. So Control Z, and I am also going to add a camera, camera. Place here, and from viewport you can rotate the direction of the camera. So as you can see, it's placed on the light. So I'm going to grab a camera behind, and I am also going to add a container, geometry container. So tab GEO geometry, enter. But this is empty because there is nothing in geometry node. So I am going to press enter, and you can see it's empty again. Now press tab and search for TES test geometry, and here we have rubber toy. Click here. So now you can see our light is influencing the rubber toy. So I am going to enable headlights only, so you can preview a full view. And if you want to go back to the object mode, simply click here. So this was the basic of the Houdini tutorial. See you next time.